What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, installing a thermostat. Homeowner wanted a little upgrade, so we're gonna put something simple, clean. So we're gonna install this Cielo. First things first, want to make sure we kill power. We ain't got time popping fuses or blowing boards. So this customer recently had just moved in, and they had one of these like alarm style thermostats on it. So they wanted to get rid of this and upgrade it. So that's why we're presenting the Cielo. And just to make life easy, snap a photo. That way you don't forget. Today's video sponsor, Camel City Mill, has got you covered. Camel City Mill, hands down, has the best socks out there. Not just the best work socks, all around the best socks in general. They almost feel like you're working on a cloud when you're wearing these bad boys, okay? They got that Dan Marino Ironside moisture wickening wool. They got a 10-year warranty, which are better than these units that we're working on nowadays. They're made right here in America, in North Carolina. I can't stress to y'all enough how good Camel City Mill has been to me, and they're going to be good to you too. So go ahead and click the link down below, bundle and save, use discount code Krauss. It's going to save you money, man. You're going to love it. Your feet are going to thank you, your wallet's going to thank you, and I'm going to thank you. Hop on that Camel City Mill train, and now let's get back to the video. So obviously, got a thermostat, a little plastic hardware, your booklets, got your termination plate, wall anchor and screws, and then mounting back plate to cover everything up. And if you don't have a common wire, this is a little adapter, so it's nice they throw that in. And of course, it's not gonna line up, but it does cover up the paint, which is good because that'd be a pain in the ass to clear it up. So make a couple of, well, one hole goes in right there. So we can line that up. Put a wall screw up there. Put your old eagle eyes on those bad boys. Cover up that. That's center punched. For thermostats and stuff and wall penetrations, I got this little Klein All. That's the piece on the back there. Makes it perfectly easy. Makes it perfect easily. Alright. And the right plate on. And it's got this little level on it. Sits right in that little recessed portion. I'm going to use the old screws because they're a little bit bigger and thicker. Dead nuts. Just like any thermostat, it's got all your labels right there. Single
put the R on the RC, doesn't matter. Alright, throw this bad boy on. And now we can go ahead and turn the system back on. To make life easier on me, I'm going to go ahead and just set this thermostat up right here through the thermostat because, you know, I can. And then we can go into the app later on with the customer. So, simply, you're going to have everything. Make sure it's all in there and coordinated. Bada bing, bada boom. It's air. Just like any other thermostat, it's going to ask you what the system is. What's really nice is it's all displayed right there, and it's just not numbers that relate to a specific selection. So just go through your selections and select what you need. It energizes on the Q. And this is why I like Root & Ream, because you can energize it on heat. I'm in Florida. I want that AC running. I don't need it to go from heat to cool. And then we have a problem. That's why Root & Ream reign supreme to me. Fahrenheit. Name your thermostat. We're just going to do home. Set the mode of the AC system. We're going to put that bad boy in cool. I'm not a fan of auto, but you have that option. All right. Customer already texted me the Wi-Fi, so I'm going to go in here, set all that stuff up. But pretty straightforward. Select the Wi-Fi network, put the password in, boom, call it a day. So now what I'm doing, I do have the Cielo Pro app, so I am registered as a contractor. I'll put the link to the app down below. I have to register this as a contractor. That way the customer can go in through the app and set it up on their end. So there's a contractor's app, and then there's a home app. You're going to open up the home app, add a device, smart thermostat, bada bing, bada boom. Let's get started, continue. It's going to ask for the Bluetooth and the location. I'm going to allow that, allow while using the app. Some people might not like it, but it's part of the game in today's world. As for the registration code, so I'm going to go ahead and punch that bad bitty in. Just like that. We're controlled. We're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead, and it says it's 69. I'm going to go ahead and drop it. Just heard the relay click. Fan kicked on. So we're good to go. All I gotta do here, man, is clean up, collect my money, and I'll be on my way. If y'all enjoyed this video, found it useful, if you could, smash the like button, consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Later.